Alrighty, we're in Crofton, Maryland. Installing a 6-zone. Scratch that. We're in Crofton, Maryland, installing a 10-zone lawn sprinkler system on this beautiful November morning. Get over here and take a peek. How you doing?
I'm good.
I got you a new sweatshirt. Pull over. We'll give it to you tomorrow morning. Brand new. And some long sleeve shirts.
Okay.
And a hat.
Yeah. Thank you.
Morning, Claudia. How are you? Doing good? Nothing?
No, nothing.
Hey, Felix. Problem you were having with service tight, was that because of no phone service or because something else?
No service.
Okay.
Yeah,
we'll fix that later.
Yeah, for the
We have all that. We have all new chips. Susan was behind that. Susan got us 25 new phone lines.
No landlines anymore.
No landlines.
They put the control box over here inside the garage.
Yeah. Does that work for you?
What's that?
Controller inside the garage? Or you want it outside?
Outside, just because like in St. Michael's, if I'm not home, I just turn the water off, and there you need power. So I was thinking around back. I can show you.
Okay, let's take a peek. She has power out back too, and she's right. We installed hers out back. Felix, we installed hers over your brother. A couple years ago, we installed her system over in St. Michael's outside because a lot of times she's not here. Right, Susan?
Yes.
So I even like that even better.
There's enough room for it right here, and here's an outlet right there. Or
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, that'll work. That's a good idea.
Yes, the router is right
okay.
here.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
Sue's got you dialed in, doesn't she?
We should get the table inside.
Yeah.
So I was just wondering, where is the water shut off going to be?
Over here.
Okay.
Let's take a look while we're here on that, because Joel's coming to do the plumbing.
I don't have an outside spigot over here. I only have one outside spigot.
In your hot water tank over here?
Say that again?
Your hot water tank?
No, the hot water tank is in the middle of the house.
Okay, let's take a look inside here. I believe right on this wall here, Sue, we got a 3/4 inch pipe, but we'll take a look. You know, cold water.
Oh, under the kitchen sink, that's it, but there's only one outdoor spigot.
Okay,
And
okay, great, and I might be wrong on that. Let's go inside here and take a peek. Which is the easiest way? Go in this way?
Right here, yep.
All right.
Got it. Perfect.
Right there.
Yeah, you think that's a good spot to leave the trailer?
Probably should put it up here. Or move this truck, back it up here, you know what I mean? Have him back here. In case it's, because you never know, something might get delivered there, and then people might be the best people in the world, but they get something delivered and they need it moved. That could be a hassle. Well, it's going to have 2 in it. If it has 2 in it, Felix, then it's going to be for this house and this house. Okay. But you should have 2. One for here, one for here. He's on there tight.
Oh. ¿Está que no quedará solo jalado para arriba?
Why don't you help Nordy there to just make sure he'll hit the car.
Kevin's got it.
Kevin's got it? It don't look like it. Kevin's looking like he's looking the other way. Watch Nordy. Hey, Nord, are you just dropping the machine out? That's it? Or are you dropping the trailer too? The trailer. Okay, pull up, Nord. Get that trailer away from their house. Pull up behind the bumper here. That way we can unload it all. Straighten her out. There you go. Now pull up. Nordy's gonna pull up this way, guys. There you go. Pull on up, Nord. That way we can get the trailer all in front of this piece here. I'd pull all the way up far as you can. That way people don't come out and bang into the trailer. Yeah, you're good there, Nord. We're good there. That'll work. 2, 1 here, 1 there. Yep. So this will be over here. So we'll just have to come over here and dig. Remember the property line's here. So we'll have to catch it over here. Property line's right here. See it? The fence post?
Yeah.
Right here in my hand. That's property line. See if you guys will hook up to it, and we can just grab it way up here. See if we can grab it way up here. Might be able to grab it right where it goes in the side of the house there. Okay?
Yeah.
Hey, Nordy, you been down to Home Depot yet?
Oh, down in the morning, but look the blocks they're not having.
Okay.
Only 1.5 couple with 6 inches.
Is that what
Here is only big ones.
okay. You going to land them next? Get you 6 inch? So we just got a 6 inch up. What's that about? 4 feet? 4 feet up, a couple feet. You don't need a whole lot. You need some. Okay. So you heading there next?
Yes.
Okay. I'll meet you over there at 10 o'clock.
Okay.
How's your morning going?
Good.
Good?
Roberto just called. He sold 7 more path lights to that guy, Rudy's job.
Okay.
Pasadena. We ended up doing 3 zones of sprays here, so I'll go to Central, get them extra 12s,
Okay.
and then get Rudy's lights, get everything in Central, come here, drop off the heads, and then I'll run up to Rudy and drop off those lights.
I think leaving the 2 strong price over here
That's
and
fine.
the 1 in the back.
Yep.
Still at 10 zones.
Okay, and then we're going to aerate this tomorrow.
Aerate.
Aerate and overseed it good.
Definitely use some seed.
Yeah, we'll get her back.
Yep.
But she's not here much. She's got the other house, so she's going a lot to this system. One of the reasons she's getting the system. This house got a lot of room. It's surprising,
It's
isn't
an
it?
odd layout for a Crofton house. I like it, but different.
Different, yeah, different good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Then we're going to aerate this tomorrow. Aerate and overseed it all. You going to track that copper line up?
You think that's copper?
Yeah. Yeah, it's copper.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's copper. Hey, welder, 2 things. Your brother's going to track that line up so we can dig up here. Second thing is we're going to aerate and overseed tomorrow. Okay? So you running, pick up some materials for Rudy, you said, first?
Yeah, 7 more path lights, and then I'll take those up to him in Pasadena.
Okay. Rudy didn't knock that out. Who's Rudy got with him? Angel?
Byron, Angel, and Uncle.
Oh, he'll fly through that.
So there's 16 lights now. There were 16, now there's 7 more, 23 total.
Okay. He'll do good.
Do you think he'll need a 300 watt? Because it does look kind of spread out around the house.
I'd do a 300.
23 total lights. Okay, I'll grab him a new transformer.
Yeah. How's everybody at the office doing?
I left before anyone was in.
Okay. I was talking to Carolyn, but girls weren't in when I left either. It's already my 5th stop. Running.
Yep.
Monday.
Haven't heard from Caitlin at all, so I assume everything's good.
Yeah, she's got her hands full
She'd
with other
usually
things.
call off the bat if there's anything that needed addressing.
Yeah, I think Carolyn went over everything with her. Carolyn knew, decided to jump things all over the schedule, moving things around. So Wilder, back to your phone deal. So your problem is just your phone, right? So bring your phone in later, and then let's put the new chip in his phone, and you too. We got new chips, new phone numbers for you guys, unlimited data, unlimited phone. So let's fire them up today. That way we're done with H2O. We'll throw out them chips. So H2O is bye-bye. So come in today, both of you, tonight, and we'll put your chips in. Then you can use Service Titan in the morning, okay? You won't be able to use Hindsight anymore, so use Service Titan. You got Service Titan on your phone, sir?
It might work.
Yep. All right, I'm gonna go here and talk to Miss Sue. Y'all good?
Yeah, you need me to do anything?
Thanks for watching this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll see you next week with another episode.